Hey guys, today I want to show you how to obtain summary statistics in R. You could also run this in RStudio or RStudio Cloud, which we're going to be using RStudio Cloud today. In previous videos, I had shown you how to calculate Chromebox Alpha using the Psych package, and I also showed you how to create a composite to add to your data set. We're going to use the same data set of 6 variables now because we added that composite to provide the summary statistics for each of the items and then also for the composite. Now within the base R functionality, there is the ability to obtain summary statistics, and that's using the summary with your data set here in parentheses. Now, I could select just one particular item or column from my data set. However, I'm just going to provide the summary statistics for all of the columns in the data set here. So we can do this very easily, and it provides us in the console, we can see for each item, and then for the composite it provides the minimum, the first quartile, median, mean, third quartile, and the max. There are missing observations in this data set, and it shows us that also. Now, these are some of the basic summary statistics that are common that we could use. However, there are other summary statistics that might provide us some additional information that we might want to know. So with that, we could use the Psych package, which we use to calculate Chromebox Alpha. And since we already have that loaded, I'm not going to install it again, but I will run the library that allows us to access the package, and we can use the describe function within the Psych package. So we'll do that for our full data set, just like we did for the summary. However, you can also do the same thing here and have it describe just one variable. But again, I'll go ahead and do the full data set, and this provides us with the variable number, provides us the number of observations, mean, standard deviation, which is really important for us to know. We also have most of the same things that we had from the summary function in the base R environment, but we also have the skew, kurtosis, and standard error that also is pretty important for us to be able to understand our data a little bit further. So I showed you how to obtain summary statistics in 2 different ways within R. You can also do this in RStudio or RStudio Cloud like we use today. If you have questions about obtaining summary statistics, feel free to email me at kt.manus@ttu.edu. Thanks.